Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy post market analysis. As we can see in Nifty, today we had a gap up opening. After that it covered the gap and took the support of the gap, and what we can say as previous day close also it took the support. After that we can see one uptrend which was happened, and today high was very strong resistance. After that complete one big breakout happened. It again made a all-time high. So on Monday, if it breaks today high and if it moves with the price action, we can expect further up move in Nifty. Or else if it opens flat or if it opens a gap down, we can expect this support level which is around 19,475 will act as support level, and if it breaks this level we can expect further downside which is around 19,430 level as a second support level. Now we check with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also made a gap up. So after that it covered the gap and took the previous day support. After that it made a big rally and then it closed on the today's high level, where the levels which has made in the morning session at the same level it has closed. So on tomorrow, means on Monday, if it opens flat and if it breaks this high, we can expect further up move in Bank Nifty. Or else if it opens flat or gap down and if it breaks this low which is around 44,600 level, we can expect further downside movement in Bank Nifty. So now we check with Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty, as we can see, one gap up which was happened. After that it covered the complete gap and completely it was in downtrend. And one more thing is like previous one gap was pending in Fin Nifty. It covered the gap completely today. After that one big movement which came. So on tomorrow, means on Monday, if it opens flat and breaks this high level and if it continues, we can expect one resistance level which is around 20,160, which will act as resistance. Or else if it opens flat or gap down happens and if it breaks today's low which is around 19,930 level, we can expect further or it can go further down. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you next post market analysis. Thank you.